This is a great feeling to receive the Oriental rug after major cleaning, because our dog, our cat, has been using the Oriental rug for such a period of time. Now, we decide to send the Oriental rug to be clean, and we would like to be clean so when we received the rug, it's going to be perfectly clean and odor free. I don't want to have no color on, no fuzziness, and I want the rug to look as a brand new. This is my wishes for the 2020, the year to come. Allow me to tell you about PetPeePee nationwide service. We are the only one. We don't have any franchise. We don't have any distributor around the United States. We have one location in Florida. Customer from all over the United States that's seeking cleaning Oriental rug from urine odor, find PetPeePee, go to Google, search for the review to see how good we are. After they read the review, they decide to contact PetPeePee. We invented a cleaning process that's guaranteed in writing, no color on, no fuzziness, no urine odor, and we never use deodorize to mask the Oriental rug upon delivery. PetPeePee, we clean Oriental rug the right way, organically, by using the Dead Sea minerals. PetPeePee, I love my business, and I will treat you with a lot of respect, and especially your Oriental rug. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee.